I'm Paul Wellborn, President and CEO of Wellborn Cabinet. We've just completed this building. This will enable us to double our capacity real quickly in our lumber processing, particularly in our rough mill. We didn't have the space and room for many years to do this. Today, with this building here being 300 foot by 350 foot long, our processing will be much simpler. Lumber handling will be much better. We'll absolutely be able to double the volume of materials that we handle in the same amount of time. We were able to buy this property. We've been trying to buy it for a number of years. It's a low area, kind of swampy looking. We filled all this in. The highway, when they changed the highway, they brought a lot of their dirt in. It was compacted very well. And today you see a building here, a beautiful building where once there was a lot of growth and swamp and things of that nature. Unused property. Now we're fixing to start installing all American equipment here. Planer mill, grip systems, saws that all are built in America. This concrete was made right here on site. This metal building was built in America. All the conveyors and equipment to handle all the lumber, it's all made out of American steel. The rollers, even the lights, we bought lights that were made completely in America. I'm very thankful to see people making stuff in America, and we need to continue to do that. Americans do make some of the best equipment in the world, if not the best. We find quicker service, less breakdowns. People just love American-made equipment. The kitchen cabinet manufacturers has just won the largest trade case in history against China, $4.4 billion. The Chinese had 40% of our business. If that had not been stopped, today we would be laying people off in this company instead of hiring. We're hiring every day in this business. It's great to have a country where you're free to start a business and use your ideas and your energies toward creating jobs. What they call free trade, I'm for. I'm not against trade with other countries. When you talk about free trade, that's fair trade. But when you talk about unfair trade, you're dumping and subsidizing. You're taking and selling at an artificial low price until you take the market over. You put your warehouses in, and all of a sudden, the American manufacturing, in this case, kitchen cabinets, will be out of business. And the kitchen cabinet companies in small cities throughout this country. The people that cut the logs and sell the lumber, and then the cabinet manufacturers that make the product, we can't afford to take that away from this country. We need to keep those industries and all of that technology and all of those skills in this country. That's what makes America great.